Hi guys, welcome back to my station. Today we're going to go over how to tame natural hair. So I'm going to start off with a quick blowout on my client's hair just so it can be manageable when I do start the braid. If you do not blow out a natural client's hair, it will tangle and mat up when you're braiding and adding product to it. Before we get off into this video, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscription button, hit the bell to enable the notification so that way you'll be notified when I do upload my next video. So today I'll be using my Shine Jam conditioner. I'll also be using my Edge Booster Gel. I have my Maurice Edge Wax Extreme Hold because she is natural. I'll be using 2 bags of EZ Braid Pre-Stretch Braiding Hair. Pump it up, or you can use any type of hold and spray of your choice. And of course, my 3 clips. Today we will not be using any edge control because this client does not want baby hairs. So yesterday we covered why we use jam on our parts. If you did miss that video, there will be a link that'll pop up on the screen where you can go back and rewatch it once this video is done. So now we're just clamping up the hair to hold one side so that we can start on the opposite side of the head. Right now I'm getting 1 bag of my EZ Braid Braiding Hair. I'm going to separate my hair into 14 pieces. If you would like to see a video on how I separate my hair, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to show you. So the first way that I do tame my natural client's hair is I go down the section that I'm about to braid and I grease the scalp with my Shine Jam. I use a little bit more on my natural client's hair because their hair is thicker. I also outline the part that I'm about to braid with the edge wax. This keeps the hair confined in one spot so when you're braiding thicker hair, you have a little bit more grip. And also, because the hair is thicker, it requires more hair to be in your hands, so this prevents hand cramping. So now we're just going to get off into the example of how I work my natural client's hair. Remember, if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. I do appreciate the feedback and the content that you guys have given me. I will be delivering those videos soon. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video.